Breaking update that's coming in. Army Chief General Naravne has visited Leh, which is the headquarters of the 14 Corps in Ladakh, for a security review. This amid tensions between India and China along the line of actual control. The visit came a day after India had rejected China's allegation that Indian troops had initiated tension and accused the Chinese army of hindering patrols on the Indian side. Now, this particular visit is crucial considering the tension and the standoff that we've been seeing along the line of actual control. Sources, in fact, have told India Today that it was after the China infrastructure development that the Indian side also built proper network of roads on its side of the LAC. That's not all. Chinese choppers have also been flying rather close to the Indian patrolling line in the Galwan Nala area, but they have objected to Indian flying activities in the area. The situation is being monitored very, very closely. Efforts are being made to de-escalate the matter. So this particular visit by the Army Chief is also very, very crucial because it comes at a time when we have been seeing a lot of tension in China along the line of actual control. What we know is that the Army Chief General Naravne has visited the headquarters of 14 Corps in Ladakh. Abhishek Bhalla is joining us with more details on this. Abhishek, as I was pointing out, this visit by the Army Chief very, very crucial because of the timing of it. The last 2 weeks, we've been seeing a lot of reports coming in of tensions, of standoffs between Indian and Chinese troops along the line of actual control.
That's right. This visit is extremely significant as it comes amid transgressions at the line of actual control. The situation is actually quite volatile. Now, what we've heard is that the Army Chief visited Leh, although he did not go to the forward areas where the problems are brewing, but he got an update on what the situation is, and he also sent across a message to the troops on the ground that the top leadership of the country, the top leadership of the army is supporting them. And it's also important to note that since May 5, when the problems started, there have been several rounds of confrontations at the line of actual control. In fact, the situation in Ladakh remains quite volatile as of now. There are places where Chinese have come into Indian territory, and the chief's visit comes just a day after the Indian Ministry of External Affairs also made it very clear that it's not the Indian troops that went into Chinese territory, but in fact it's the Chinese who've been stopping Indian patrols on Indian territory.
Okay, Abhishek, thank you for joining us with that update.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.